Hey everyone! Today, WOYOU is bringing you a review of the ElphaPex DG Home 1 mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 10.3 kilograms and gross weight about 13.4 kilograms. ElphaPex DG Home 1 supports the SCRYPT algorithm, allowing you to mine Caspa cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 2.1 GH/s. Its power consumption is 620 watt. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. In the actual test, when the computing power reaches 2.2 GH/s, the power consumption of the mining machine is about 630 watts, and the noise is about 45 decibels. The temperature of the machine's heatsink was 56 degrees Celsius, and the surface temperature was about 26 degrees Celsius. Overall, this miner has a very good performance in terms of power consumption and quietness. How to set up the miner to make it work? Open the official ElphaPex website. Click on the support option on the page and select Technical Support. In the toolbar, select and download the latest version of the tool software ElphaPex tool. Once the download is complete, unzip the file and open the tool. In the software interface, click the Scan button. The software will automatically scan and display the IP address of the miner. Double-click the IP address of the miner to jump to the background management interface of the miner. Go to the mining machine settings, fill in the mining address and miner name, and then save it. How to get the mining address? Open the URL, register and log into your account. The coin choice is LTC. Scroll down to find the mining address. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income and so on. Based on the price and mining difficulty of Litecoin, Dogecoin, and BL on November 22, 2024, the ElphaPex DG Home 1 2.1G miner would yield approximately $8.48 per day. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. ElphaPex DG Home 1 and Goldshell E-DG1M are two of the hottest home silent miners on the market for mining Dogecoins. Next, let's compare the parameter information. ElphaPex DG Home 1 is not as good as Goldshell E-DG1M in terms of total arithmetic power, but it has an excellent energy efficiency ratio. The ElphaPex DG Home 1 2.1G miner is a high computing power, low power and silent miner designed for Litecoin mining. It has one of the best energy efficiency ratios among the current Litecoin, Dogecoin, and BL home silent miners. The miner looks like a computer mainframe, with a stylish and beautiful design, and not only has good revenue performance, but also can be adapted to a variety of environments such as home and company for mining. Click on the buy link below the video to purchase directly. Buy miner to WOYOU. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of WOYOU.